how much should you actually spend on a home security alarm system? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Ring Alarm 8-Piece Kit. The Ring Alarm 8-Piece Kit caught my attention right away with its comprehensive setup at a reasonable price of $179.99. This is perfect for anyone wanting a reliable home security system without breaking the bank. If you want a solid system that covers all the basics for a small home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The kit includes one base station, a keypad, 4 contact sensors, and a motion detector. This means you can effectively monitor doors and windows and get instant alerts if anything unusual happens. Plus, you can control everything through the Ring app, which is super user-friendly. It even offers optional 24/7 professional monitoring for peace of mind, which is huge if you travel often. Now, some people complained about the need for a subscription to access all features, and I get it. Here's the thing though, if you want full control and monitoring capabilities, it's a small price to pay for your safety. This is perfect for you if you live in a smaller home and want a complete and easy-to-use system. Skip this one if you need something that can handle larger properties without additional sensors. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if the subscription aspect bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ring Alarm 14-Piece Kit. Next up is the Ring Alarm 14-Piece Kit, priced at $229.99. This model really caught my eye for its expandability and robust features. If you have a larger home and want something that grows with you, this is well worth considering. This kit includes 2 keypads, 8 contact sensors, and 2 motion detectors, making it a great fit for 2-4-bedroom homes. The coverage you get is impressive. With mobile alerts and the ability to monitor through the app, you can feel secure from anywhere. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Alexa for voice control, which is super convenient. With over 6,200 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's definitely a popular choice. However, some users found the setup a bit tricky, especially if you're not tech-savvy. Here's the thing, though, once it's set up, it gives you a level of security that overshadows that initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you have a bigger home and want an expansive kit that covers more ground. Skip this if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without many features. It's a solid investment, especially if you want the best protection. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more budget-friendly system. Product number 3, Ultra Pro Personal Security Alarm. Now let's talk about the Ultra Pro Personal Security Window and Door Alarm, which is a steal at just $21.70 for a 4-pack. This caught my attention for its affordability and ease of use. If you want to add a layer of security without a hefty price tag, this is worth a serious look. Each alarm emits a loud 120 decibel sound when triggered, which is enough to scare off most intruders. They install easily with double-sided tape, no tools required. Each unit runs on batteries and has a low battery indicator, so you won't be left in the dark. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 11,000 users, it's clear that this is a trusted option for many. But some people noted that the alarms can be overly sensitive and might go off with minor movements. Here's the thing though, it's a small price to pay for the peace of mind it offers, especially if you set it up in lower traffic areas. This is perfect for you if you live in an apartment or need extra security on a budget. Skip this if you want a more comprehensive system with app control. For the price, you really can't go wrong. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more sophisticated, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4, Ring Alarm 5-Piece Kit. Next, we have the Ring Alarm 5-Piece Kit, priced at $139.99. This model is compact yet effective, making it a great choice for condos or smaller apartments. If you're looking for something streamlined that still offers great security, this one is definitely worth a look. This kit includes a base station, keypad, contact sensor, motion detector, and a range extender. It's designed to be simple to set up and operate, which is ideal if you're not tech-savvy. Just like the larger options, it connects to the Ring app for mobile alerts and control. With a 4.7-star rating from over 5,300 reviews, it's another testament to Ring's reputation in home security. Now, some customers mentioned that it lacks some sensors for larger spaces, which might not work for everyone. But here's the thing, if you live in a smaller place, this system covers your bases beautifully without the clutter of too many devices. This is perfect for you if you have a small apartment or condo and want a reliable security solution without a lot of hassle. Skip this if you need extensive coverage for a larger home. For the value, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a great pick for smaller spaces. But if you're looking for something even simpler, check out our final option. Product number 5, GE Personal Security Alarm. Finally, we have the GE Personal Security Window and Door Alarm selling for just $15.88 for a 2-pack. This option really stood out to me as a straightforward, no-frills solution for home security. If you want something simple and effective without a big commitment, this is worth considering. They come with an easy on-off chime feature so you can adjust based on your daily needs. Installation is a breeze using double-sided tape. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 14,000 reviews, many find this to be a trustworthy option. However, some users noted that it must be installed indoors only, which limits its use. But here's the thing, if you're looking for added security for windows and doors, it's a low-cost investment that delivers. This is perfect for you if you want a quick and easy security solution without any monthly fees. Skip this if you need a comprehensive system with monitoring. For the price, you really can't lose with this one. So there you have it. We covered the Ring Alarm 8-piece and 14-piece kits for comprehensive setups, the Ultra Pro and GE alarms for affordable options, and the Ring 5-piece kit for those in smaller spaces. Each product serves its purpose well, depending on your needs and budget. Whichever you choose, your home will surely feel a lot safer.